What's up, guys? Welcome back to another That One Outdoorsman video. And today I'm at a cattle sale. This is actually how I started my channel, by my first video, this one. So let's look at some cows. These are some loud cows. Now look at this. You tell me that these boards aren't sketchy. Holy. And I'm a big old boy. Scary. We ended up buying 4 calves, this black one over here to the right, and these 3 Charolais. It was a really good cattle sale, and they had a bunch of calves. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, see you.